Presenting the 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear headroom, 40.5, tilt adjustable steering wheel, power remote passenger mirror adjustment, door pockets, driver, rear headroom, 64.4, center console, partial width storage, trip computer, and vehicle emissions, 11. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.